Hey there, Tech Trends and Solutions family. Today, we're diving into the world of digital marketing to help you boost your business. We'll be sharing some powerful strategies and tips that can take your online presence to the next level. So, let's get started. Section 1, SEO. First up, let's talk about search engine optimization, SEO. SEO is crucial for driving organic traffic to your website. Here are some tips to improve your SEO game. 1. Perform keyword research to find the right keywords for your content. 2. Optimize your website's meta tags, headings, and URL structure. 3. Create high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your audience. Section 2, Social Media Marketing. Next, let's discuss social media marketing. Social media platforms are a goldmine for businesses looking to connect with their target audience. Here's how you can make the most of it. 1. Choose the right platforms based on your target audience's preferences. 2. Create a content calendar to plan and schedule your posts. 3. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. Section 3, Email Marketing. Now, let's explore email marketing. Email marketing is a cost-effective way to nurture leads and retain customers. Here are some tips to optimize your email campaigns. 1. Segment your email list to send targeted messages. 2. Craft compelling subject lines to increase open rates. 3. Use clear calls to action, CTAs, to drive conversions. Section 4, Content Marketing. Lastly, let's talk about content marketing. Creating valuable content is key to building trust and authority in your niche. Here's how you can excel at content marketing. 1. Identify your target audience's pain points and create content that addresses them. 2. Use various content formats like blog posts, videos, and infographics. 3. Promote your content on social media and other relevant channels. Conclusion. And that's a wrap. By implementing these digital marketing strategies and tips, you'll be well on your way to boosting your business's online presence. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Trends and Solutions for more helpful content like this. Until next time.